Hello, this is Carol Ann Bisnett with Coldwell Banker Motherlode Real Estate. Welcome to my listing at 20277 Starr King Drive in Soulsbyville. This home was built in 2003 on almost 1/4 acre with plenty of extra parking in front, plus temporary RV parking on the side. Upon entering the home, you will notice the spacious open great room style floor plan, which is wonderful for anyone, but also nice for entertaining. The kitchen features 2 large islands, one for cooking and the other opens to the great room. There is ample cupboard and counter space, plus a large pantry behind closed doors, and even a breakfast nook. Note the easy access to the outdoors via the sliding door to the man-made deck, overlooking raised garden areas, a couple fruit trees, and spectacular distant views. The master bedroom suite includes a full bathroom, spacious walk-in closet, plus access to the patio and the fully fenced yard. This home is like a decorator's blank canvas. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you or anyone you know is interested in this home, please do not hesitate to contact me. Carol Ann Bisnett, 209-591-8765.